Today I am going to show you how to use the Russian tips as I used in the cupcake recipe I put up in the blog the other day. They are different from, this is new to me, regular piping tips in that it brings out a fully formed flower. You don't have to do it bit by bit by bit. I bought this kit. Probably coming up backwards. Yeah, I don't know how to fix that, but I'll put a link to it on the blog after I post this video. And it came with 50 tips, disposable piping bags, couplers. I have not yet figured out what the couplers are for, and an instruction sheet. And the instruction sheet's pretty cool. It shows the number of the tips and the flower that they make. This has been very helpful to me. So the other day, you can look on the blog, I made, they're like little rose flowers, and this, as I showed you before, is the tip that I used. Today I'm going to try with a different tip, and we'll see what this one makes. I made light lavender frosting today, and then to fill in with the leaves, you do need a standard leaf tip. I don't know how well you can see that, but this is just a standard leaf tip that you get with any basic piping kit from Wilton or anywhere else. I've had it for more years than I care to count. So to start this whole process, when I watched the video on how to do it, they suggested piping out a circle on the cupcake to cover it because the tip needs to meet icing when you go on there for the flour to stick. They piped out little strands of icing on top. I find it just as easy to put some on with an offset spatula because I figure why waste another piping bag as you go along the way. So I've got a basic vanilla frosting on here. The recipe is also on the blog with the cupcake post that I had the other day, but I'll include it again when I put this video up. Okay, I think this is going to do it. We'll see. Try one. It's just a matter of pushing down gently and pulling up. Pushing down and pulling up. Pushing down and pulling up. Now this is the second time I have done this, which goes to show how easy it is. Now my icing is a little soft because I had it sitting out getting ready for this. Then you get your leaf tip and you just fill in. Wherever you think some should go. And that's really artistic expression. You can put in as many or as few leaves as you would like. And there. Whoops, I think maybe we need one more right in there. There. So you can see it's pretty simple. I'll do one more. The icing that you put on top of the cupcake needs to be wet. So you shouldn't do too many ahead with your top coat because, as I said, it does need to be able to stick. Whoops. And that happens and you just can cover it up. And I really think my icing is just a little soft right now. See, just put another one on top. So I'm going to pop my icing into the refrigerator to harden up a little before I finish up the dozen that John needs for his meeting tonight. But they are really that easy to use. And I know I'm going to be having a lot of fun with them going forward. As I mentioned in the post the other day, the icing does need to be a little bit stiffer. Whoops, put the wrong bag down. Stiffer than usual. So I took a basic vanilla frosting or vanilla buttercream and I added extra powdered sugar to it and made it a little stiffer than it might have been otherwise. So, but you can see it does make even if they're a little abstract. It does make for a very pretty cupcake. So that's it. That's how you use Russian tips.